Hello viewers, in today's video we will learn about the origin. So on my channel you can see a lot of videos about the use of origin in drawing the plots, bar diagram, scatter plots, doing the linear regression, non-linear regression. So in this video we will learn about very simple thing about origin, that is what kind of files we can upload on the origin. For example, we want to upload a file on the origin. So usually the type of the file on the origin that has to be is of this format. Okay, now basically the origin files which is saved in our folders. Okay, so if we try to recall them, so they are usually of this format, .obj, .opg, .og. So let's, for example, I'm going to open up this file. We don't want to save, so say no. So this is my file which has opened up, and in the project explorer here in the 2018 version, so this is my book. The worksheet file is same like the Excel file. So this is my data. Okay, now what kind of file, this is the one thing, what kind of file we can open. Now what kind of data we can import. So you can see the import data has to be of these format. Okay, usually I have in my laptop the Excel. So if I want to call the Excel file, for example, you have to specify. Okay, so first of all, so this is not available now. Also make sure this is the show options dialog is clicked. Now we will add, click and then add. Okay, now after adding we will say okay. After adding it, this type of window will pop up. So the file path is given here. Okay, and then if you want to replace or make sure these are selected, exclude empty sheets. You don't want to include the empty sheets, so this has to be ticked, and then we will say okay. So now you can see here this has been imported, and also these are from the old files. Okay, so we will just remove these. So this is all about importing the and exporting the files for the origin software.